Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using the platform. In this Liligo booking platform review, I'll share my usage experience and provide a comprehensive overview of its features. Liligo is a travel search engine designed to help you find and compare prices for flights, trains, buses, and car rentals, all conveniently located in one place. It's a particularly valuable tool for travelers who prioritize efficiency and appreciate having flexible travel options. Whether you're planning a short weekend trip or a more extended journey, Liligo streamlines the process by presenting you with the best available deals, allowing you to compare costs across numerous providers and potentially save money. One of Liligo's most impressive features is its comprehensive search tool, which aggregates results from airlines, train and bus companies, and various car rental services. You simply enter your departure and arrival locations, travel dates, and any specific preferences, and Liligo generates a range of options tailored to your needs. A key differentiator is Liligo's commitment to accurate pricing. They display the total cost upfront, without hidden fees, giving you a clear understanding of what you'll be paying. Liligo also offers useful filters to refine search results. You can sort options by price, travel duration, or departure times, and even exclude choices that don't meet your criteria. The platform's straightforward design makes it accessible to both seasoned travelers and those who are less experienced with trip planning. For travelers with flexible dates, Liligo's Fare Calendar feature is an invaluable asset. It allows you to easily pinpoint the cheapest days to travel within a given time frame, which is perfect for budget-conscious travelers. It's important to note that Liligo doesn't handle bookings directly. Instead, it redirects you to the provider's website to complete the transaction, ensuring a secure and transparent booking process. In conclusion, Liligo is an excellent travel search engine for anyone looking to compare multiple transportation options in one convenient location. Its user-friendly interface, transparent pricing, and flexible search options make it a reliable tool for planning any trip. If you've used Liligo or have any questions about the platform, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Be sure to check the description for more details and links. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!